Welcome this video. Video title is Embracing Security. Building a stone house in the wood. In the heart of the wood, where the whisper of the tree mingle with the song of bird line and invitation to simplicity and tranquility. It's here amidst natural embrace that the idea of building a smart stone house talk about always from the hustle and bustle of urban life, such as dwelling, become more than just a shifting. It's become a century of testament to harmoniums with the natural world. The eliminate of a stone house line not only in its rustic charm but also in its durability and sustainability. Stone, with its timeless appear, blunder seamless into the landscape, create a dwelling that filled if it us also beyond a part of the woods. Moreover, its mask property, natural insulation kept the interior cool in summer and warm in water without experience, relaxed or modern, hard and cool setting. The process of building such as a house beyond with careful plan and considering of the surrounding. Unlike construction project which often innovation, the natural entertaining building a stone house in the wood request or touch reject the load and its set site select in cabin talk into account feature such as sunlight experience and promax to water sound. One, the idea locate is choice. The construction process beyond with gather material from the surrounding area, stone found from the load itself from the funding and wall of the house, each one embowered with the calendar of its original. This sustainability appear not only doom and entertainment impact but also add a scene of include or a surrounding connect its to the Lord in a profound way, building with stone. It's a broad that demo promoting and skill. Each stone mute be careful place center ability and construction modern from natural materials such as a limited and secured bond stone together create a precise whole that withstand that test of time. Its process that fold connection to the Lord as building work in harmony with natural guest be the range of the seasoning. Living in a smart stone house in the woods, it's a unique experience that often a professional scene of connection to the earth away up to the sound of rustic level and the shift open tree one feel a deep appear from the simplicity of life. The pace slowed down, allowed time of request and include away for the